Hey guys, today we are going to be creating a clay pattern tile. So when you get your clay, the first thing you're going to want to do is press it flat onto your mat. Using a roller, you want to roll it both ways to evenly flatten it out about the thickness of a pancake. Now you can create your tile any shape you want. For example, if you want to do a circle, you could use a circle tracer, take a tool, and simply dig down to the mat till you have your shape. You can discard the rest of your clay or use it on top. Another example is this cardboard tracer where I traced a square. When you're ready to create your patterns, you need to start by creating sections. I drew a Z shape and created 4 sections. In each of these sections, I'm creating a different pattern. A pattern is where you have lines or shapes that repeat over and over. As you're carving, if you have little pieces of clay that pop up, simply smooth them down or remove them. Once you've carved all of your designs out of your tile, you can then make additive pieces. To add pieces of clay on, simply shape them, use slip or water-like glue, and firmly press them on, and then smooth them in. You want to gently peel your tile off of the mat and carve your name or initials in the back. And there we have our clay pattern tile. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.